Hello, good morning. My name is Ryan Baldwin. I am Vice President of Operations at HPI Floors here in Atlanta, Georgia. We are a full-service commercial flooring company established in 1998. We are the leading provider of high-quality flooring solutions, specializing in a diverse range of products that cater to both residential and commercial needs. With a commitment to excellence, HPI Floors offer an extensive selection of flooring options, including hardwood, laminate, vinyl, and ceramic tile. These options ensure a perfect match for any style and budget. Our team of experienced professionals, which includes myself, Lawrence Hollenshed, and Adil Santamaria, we are dedicated to delivering exceptional customer service, guiding clients through every step of the flooring process, from selection to installation. We pride ourselves in using sustainable practices and high quality materials, contributing to a healthier environment and lasting durability. At HPI Floors, we understand that flooring is not just a functional choice, but a key element of interior design. Our mission is to enhance spaces with beautiful, reliable solutions that stand the test of time. Whether you're building a new building or outfitting an existing commercial space, HPI Floors is your trusted partner in creating stunning, functional environments. We are super excited to be partnered with Brasfield Gorrie, and we have been fortunate to land several projects with them, including the HCA JFK Dietary Project that's in Florida. We'll be starting that in January. We also have just been awarded the Ascension St. Thomas Hospital Project that's in Tennessee. We have one other project with them. It's a local project called the Promise Center. It's here in Atlanta. It's a community center. And we're excited about getting started in that maybe second quarter 2025. Some of my key market sectors are K through 12, hospitals, medical facilities, sporting arenas, and government facilities. We have over 10, 15 projects going on in Atlanta, in and around Atlanta right now, but we also service throughout the Southeast. We got connected with Brasfield Gorrie, firstly through NAMAT and National Association of Minority Contractors, was instrumental in us meeting Jessica and Lauren. And once we met them and they got us involved with the Equip program, we started pricing projects, and they were very instrumental in helping us land projects with them as well. We can't say enough about the Equip program. It's a great platform to learn about work, upcoming work, and also to talk with some of the key members of the pre-construction team and the project management teams over there. They have been very welcoming to HPI Floors. We are very excited to continue our relationship with Brasfield Gorrie